Єбати мурашник. Просто мурашник, блин. 30. 25, я знаю.
A red graffiti appeared near Cathedral of Christ the Savior in Moscow. It says, Gundye, thou shalt not kill, referring to Russian Patriarch Kirill Gundyaev. A voice behind the camera says, I hope you die in glory to Ukraine.
Чтоб ты сдох. Слава Украине.
Aerial scouts of the 103 Ukrainian Brigade detected the Russian tank masked in a forest, shelling Ukrainian positions. It took seconds to transmit the location to the artillery via an automated battle management system and just one high-precision projectile to destroy the foe's armor. Ukrainian artillery is constantly conducting strikes on Wagner positions in Soledar. Wagner units are easy to spot as they are moving in large numbers without necessary spacing between them.
Потім вночі рахуватимемо, зараз рити треба. Бачу. Це трава перед?
Да, трава.
Отой, що далі 200, да? Псяра, там де двоє. Да, але цей, що з трубою, ще живий.
And Russian propagandists have another crazy idea. Why can't Wagner Group strike France from an African country? Or an unrecognized ship strike Britain?
Ну хорошо, мы стесняемся это сделать, ну пожалуйста, у Вагнеров есть своя техника. Ну придайте им технику, пусть нанесут удар с территории Африки. Нечто взлетит с территории Африки, ну скажем, из Ливии, и нанесет удар по Франции. Так что ли хотите? Или неопознанный корабль, принадлежащий частной структуре, и с него удары морскими дронами по территории Британии.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.